Whether a customer knows already or is trying to do some research to find out if prefabrication makes sense, we would love the opportunity to be a part of seeing that project to timely completion. Whether we're working with a developer, an architect, or engineer, or a general contractor, it's understood that there's a nationwide shortage of skilled labor. Now more than ever, it makes sense to build as quickly and efficiently as possible, but you shouldn't have to trade speed for quality. That's why Shrock Prefab can be a good partner.
So probably what got me into prefab more than anything was just I saw a need. We were framing through my 20s and 30s. I had framing crews, and we framed a lot of hotels and a lot of apartment buildings and commercial projects. And there was a need for prefab. There was a lot of prefab being done into wood framing, and there wasn't a whole lot being done in metal. So we started out prefabbing metal walls in parking lots on the project sites back before there was, there was very few metal prefab shops in the country. Probably one of the biggest things in the prefab world is being timely, being able to get walls or whatever product we furnish to the project on time. We have a really good record of providing walls on time. Another thing that's very important is being able to furnish a quality product. In today's standards, it seems to be it's all about speed and just getting product out the door so that you can generate more revenue. But the number one thing in my mind is having a product that we can rest assured is going to be there for a long time.
The quality of our product is one of our highest goals here at Shrock. And so we have a multi-step process to ensure that each and every panel is correct before it goes to the field. That starts during the wall panel fabrication drawing process. Each and every panel drawing is reviewed before they go to the floor for fabrication. During fabrication, there's a 4-point inspection process. When the panel is built, when sheathing is applied, when an air vapor barrier is applied, and one final check before the truck is loaded and the panel goes out to the customer. For each panel that arrives on site, we want it to go exactly in the spot that it's supposed to go, fit perfectly, with no issues whatsoever. And that's our goal for each and every project. That goal inspired Shrock to create an in-house structural engineering department. We offer not only the engineering, but BIM coordination, wall panel fabrication design, and that allows us to ensure the quality of our product from start to finish. We essentially become a one-stop shop where a customer can come to us, put their trust in us, and we carry that from beginning to end of the project. What we're trying to offer our customers is a simple process where they come to us and we do a lot of the heavy lifting during the coordination process. We actually have a lot of customers that, they're so comfortable with us that they put us directly in contact with the general contractor. Oftentimes when a customer approaches us, they have a project that they'd like to know if it makes sense for prefabrication. And so we ask that they send us a set of drawings. We'll review that with them and let them know, yeah, this is a great project for panelization, or no, it's just not really a great fit. If we find that a project would be a good fit for prefabrication, then that project would get logged in and we would go through a quote process, preliminary engineering, and then be able to offer them a fixed price for it. And there will be no surprises down the road as the project progresses. Once a customer puts their trust in Shrock Prefab and awards a project to us, Shrock strives to do the heavy lifting for them during the pre-construction process. And so that includes all of the coordination for items such as door openings, window openings, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, all of the items that have to coordinate with the wall. We're going to dig into the drawings and we're going to find out, what are the questions we need to ask. How can we ensure that the walls that we deliver are going to be exactly what our customer needs? During pre-construction, if we do find issues with the contract drawings, we will prepare RFIs so that our customer can submit them directly to the design team and the GC, just saving them some effort. And then the other thing that we do is we will review the drawings of any other trades that kind of surround the walls. So if there are for example, roof trusses or different types of floors or structural steel, we're going to review those drawings as well because we want to make sure that the entire project goes together as seamlessly as possible. The coordination process culminates with the creation of wall panel fabrication drawings. And every item that has been coordinated ends up on that drawing. That drawing goes to the shop floor and that exact panel is built exactly what the customer needs. Our customers really appreciate that in addition to bare walls, there's a number of items that we can add, including sheathing, air vapor barrier, pour stops for concrete floors, wood bucks at windows and doors. Sometimes we add flat strap backing for brick termination bars or cabinets or grab rails. We've even gone so far as to include brick ties. We are certified by the SFIA and ABAA. If I had to explain Shrock Prefab in one word, that word would be experience. Shrock Prefab has been in business since 2004, and in that period of time, we've seen many competitors start up and just as quickly go out of business. You know, one of the reasons our customers choose us is we have been in business so long, and we stand behind every product that we build. If a customer has a problem with one of our products years down the road, Shrock is going to be here and is going to stand behind it. One of the other great assets that we have is our employees. Our ownership, our general manager, and many of our employees have been here since the beginning. They're skilled tradesmen, and they build a quality product and they take pride in it. And so it is a great joy for me and for all of our team to work in that sort of environment where we're proud of the products that we deliver. We're also extremely experienced in our pre-construction team. Our employees have at least 16 years of experience, up to 27 years of experience, specifically in cold form steel. I think the experience that we can bring to any project is second to none in the industry. Shrock Prefab is able to leverage the experience that we have to simplify the process for our customers from start to finish.
It is important to know that the company that is fabricating your wall panels has an experienced and trustworthy engineering and design team behind them. I'm the BIM manager, and it basically entails me creating a 3D model of the building. Part of my job is to communicate with the customer the amount of planning and coordination that is needed during the design process or pre-construction. The reality is there can be weeks to months of coordination involved. The building has to be virtually constructed using 3D software. The 3D model is then coordinated with the MEP trades before releasing panels to the fabrication facility.
Having spent most of my life in the construction industry, I know the importance of having panels on site on schedule. Because of our large facility and custom-made equipment, we have the ability to produce our customers' panels ahead of schedule and store them indoors until the customer is ready to receive the shipment. We ship the wall panels loaded in the set sequence so that the erectors can install the panels in the most efficient manner without unnecessary delays.
We're able to save our customers time, effort, and money by having the entire team under one roof. That saves our customer the headache of hiring multiple parties and then being in the middle of coordination between them when they have questions. Some companies in the industry will advertise that they offer all of the pre-construction under one roof. In reality, what they're doing is taking pieces of that and contracting them out to different parties. Like they may contract out to a structural engineer, they may contract to a different party to create the wall panel fabrication drawings. The problems that can arise by contracting out to different parties is they may not realize all of the issues, or they may assume that one of the other team members is going to resolve them. And ultimately what you get is a project that is less well coordinated and less successful. There's literally no substitute to the synergy that we're able to achieve by having all of those under one roof.
So we have a team I feel like is second to none. I am excited about all the way from our design, the quality control, our shop, the way we built these walls. The quality is so important, so we can have that same quality working together. We can be in harmony, and it ends up creating an enjoyable process for everybody involved, hopefully including our customers. That's our goal. People can look back on it and say they performed on time, it was a quality product, and it was an enjoyable process.